Alright, so in this video I'm going to be looking at drawing page 2, part number 11. Just like in previous videos, I'll start by identifying what my top view should look like. My top view should have this box here, as well as this box here. I should also have then a hidden line kind of going through the middle, identifying this line right here, right? This space or this cutout underneath. Got AutoCAD opened up. I'll start with my line tool again from my left hand side. Going up. I'm going to offset my front view as 5 inches. Offset the height of my front view, which is 2.5 inches. I'm going to provide space between my 3 views, so I'm going to leave 1 inch. And then my top view is 1.5 inches tall, and my right side view is also 1.5 inches tall. So I will offset 1.5, hit enter. We'll add in this line. Use my trim command, select everything, hit enter. And simply start going through and removing lines that we don't need. Delete this, delete this. All right, so there's my top view, front view, and right side view. If you look at my drawing, this line here is 2.5 inches. So I will offset 2.5. I need it on my front view as well. This line here from the top down is 1 inch. So I will offset 1, enter. This space in here, I've got 1 inch going up and then 3/4 on my right hand side. Offset 1 inch, 1 inch going up, and then 0.75 or 3/4. I'm going to do that up here as well, and you'll see why in a second. I'm going to trim out. On my right side view, I don't need any of these lines, so that completes my right side view. On my front view, it should look like that. The last thing I'm going to do, I mentioned that hidden line across the top. I'm going to take that line and switch it to hidden. That gives me my top, front, and right side. Again, you'll notice that this line here, this cutout, matches up or lines up with that hidden line. Last thing I'll do is I'll enter my dimensions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dimensions. Switch to my dimension layer. Click linear. 5-inch dimension. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last dimension then is this overall height, which is 2.5. And that completes drawing page 2, part number 11.